Good morning, students. In our this class, we will continue with our last topics. In our last topics, we are discussing the different chemical properties of chemical reactions of the alkyl halides. So, the another type of reactions which are given by these alkyl halides, and this type is reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. In these reaction with metals, what we see, very important reaction, that is Woods reaction. Woods reaction. In this Woods reaction, molecules of alkyl halides, that is RX plus 2Na plus XR, then formation of this alkane and twice NaX takes place. This reaction takes place in the presence of dry ether. So by using this reaction, we will get the product twice Na plus Br CS3, this, and by this reaction we are getting the alkane. By this reaction we are getting the alkane. So the product we are getting there in this reaction, in the reaction with the metals, and this reaction is known as Woods reaction. In some other reactions, what we have, just see, reaction with other active metals. Reaction with other active metals. Other active metals. If we react the alkyl halide with the lithium, CS3 CH2, that is Br plus lithium, and lithium is 2Li. Lithium is 2Li. When this reaction takes place in the presence of dry ether, we get the product in this CS3 CH2 Li plus LiBr. This product we will get in this. When reaction happens in the presence of lead and sodium, another type of product will form CS3 CH2 Br ethyl bromide plus 4 Pb upon Na, that is sodium lead alloy. Sodium lead alloy, sodium lead alloy, ethyl bromide, ethyl bromide, when they both react with each other in the presence of dry ether, the product which we will get is ethyl lead, and then another thing, sodium Br, 4 NaBr plus 3 Pb. These are the products which we will get when the alkyl halides reacts with the metals during their reactions. So these are the simple reactions given by the alkyl halides. Now we have to continue with this when we discuss the reactions of the haloarenes. Now chemical reaction of haloarenes. Our next point is chemical reactions of haloarenes. Just see and try to understand what happens in this. Chemical reactions of haloarenes. In these chemical reactions, we know that what is the meaning of haloarene. When benzene ring is present and one hydrogen atom of this benzene ring get completely replaced by any halogen atom. When hydrogen atom attached on the carbon is replaced by the halogen atom, then we get the haloarene. Now both alkyl halides and aryl halides contains the carbon halogen bond. In both conditions carbon halogen bond is present, but in the haloarenes there is a some kind of resonating effect develops in the benzene ring, and due to the resonating effect the double bond character will develop, and due to the double bond character the reactivity will decreases in this sense. So first we will see that what is resonance effect in this. What is resonance effect in this particular thing? This is benzene ring. We draw the rings there, then we will see that how the resonance is present in that particular cycle. This is chlorine, 6 electrons. It means 3 lone pairs of electrons are present in that particular ring of chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene ring. Chlorobenzene ring. In this chlorobenzene ring, 6 electrons are present on the chlorine atom. Now what happens in this? A double bond, it means a lone pair of electron transfers to this carbon. When this condition arises, this single bond now starts converting into the double bond, and it is not possible for a carbon atom to have the 5 bonds there. So the electron of this double bond slightly shifts near to the another carbon atom. And what condition we get? We get this condition here. This chlorine, 4 electrons are present there. Now this single bond get converted into the double bond. Positive charge is present there, and this lone pair of electron is present there. Double bond. So that is how the condition, this structure get converted into this another resonating structure. Electron pair of this double bond shifts towards the nearest carbon atom, and we show this by the negative charge which present there. So if this is the first structure we are considering here, in its another structure what happens? Continuous shifting of the pi electrons takes place in this. Now the electron transfers to this carbon and these electrons transfer there. So negative charge comes there and double bond will form in this structure. So in another structure we will get is in this manner, double bond is there, electron lone pair is there, double bond is there, and carbon is this kind of another resonating structure we will get in this. Now next structure of this, when this transfer takes place in this manner, now we get another resonating structure in this condition where double bond is present there and negative charge is present there, chlorine 2 electrons, positive charge. Now after shifting this, if we move forward again this, then these electrons again move to this chlorine and this transfer to this. So at the last we will again get the same structure for the chlorine. So that is how the resonance effect develops in the chlorobenzene ring. And due to the resonating effect, the double bond characters will generate in the chlorobenzene. Double bond character will generate in the chlorobenzene. So carbon chlorine bond acquires the double bond character there. Chlorine is attached to the carbon by a little more than a single pair of electrons. On the other hand, in case of alkyl halides, if we consider this that is alkyl halide. In these alkyl halides, the carbon is attached to the chlorine by the single single bond. That is the pure single bond. Pure single bond present in alkyl halide. Pure single bond is present in alkyl halide, but in this case double bond character develops. Double bond character develops in this. Due to this double bond character, it is difficult to break down the double bond. Consequently, the carbon halogen bond in alkyl halide is little stronger than in alkyl halides to chlorine by a pure single bond. So this kind of characters we see due to the resonating effect in this. We will continue with the chemical reactions of haloarenes in our next video. Thank you.